Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5489. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, passenger seat in black cloth, Aftermarket Hayman Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, lumen module. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has one large dent. Right guard has no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, single stack head unit, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor.